an example of this would be, we had a client that we did a vehicle inspection on, and we determined that their front wheel bearing was in need of replacement. It was noisy. No movement, but noisy. They decided to defer the repair, which is totally in their right, and they continued to drive the vehicle. 3 months later, the vehicle came back to our shop on a tow truck because, of course, the bearing finally failed. So instead of the $400 bearing replacement that we had quoted originally, we were now looking at replacing the wheel bearing, the hub, the ABS sensor for a total cost of over $1,000. So by deferring the repair and not getting it done right away, it actually saved them money initially, but it cost them more than double the cost that it would have been to just simply repair it in the first place. Did we sell them more work? No. Physics did. Another great example that I love to use is a client that had owned Volvos his entire life, and he made that evidently clear to me, because he brought in his Volvo that required a timing belt replacement. And at the time, we quoted this timing belt replacement